Hello, in this session, I want to show you how to use OpenAI's generative pre-trained transformer. So you can log in and you can use both free and paid version of it. I click login and I already logged into Google and connected that. So I just click my account. So here, I will show you 3 different versions they can use. So first of all, let me show you about the setting. If you click the setting, you can see different themes based on the type of environment that you and the student prefer. You can use this default system version of the theme, or dark theme, or light theme. I will keep this as light. And also there is language, different languages you can detect. I will say that auto detect. And also there is personalization format. And for example, you can kind of say about yourself. So you can say that this is about some features that you can specify about. And there is example. ChatGPT will become more helpful with you when you specify about the characteristics. So you can put statement something as, remember that I like concise responses, or you can specify I like academic or friendly or kid-friendly emoticon or tones. That way you can personalize the chat that you are looking for. And if you click speech, these are all different options. Jupiter, that I set up this as a female voice. There are Cove and Breeze, Amber. These are all male voices that you can select for any text-to-speech. In data control, currently this is off to improve the model for everyone, but you, depending on how you want to be considered in developing this tool, you can click on and off. And you can select any other developer version and security. There are multi-factor authentications, which means you can, like a two-factor means you go to 2 steps to validate any security confirmation, whether it's human, whether it's you. And you can also log out from all when it's necessary. So now let's look at some generic features of it. So this is because I'm a paid version. I'm the membership of what I'm using is Plus, so I'm paying it. That's why my screen can be a little bit different from yours. So temporary chat means when I click this temporary chat, this chat won't appear in history. So when you just want to one time and want to remove all those conversations, you can use this version of it. And also this, for the safety purpose, just for keeping 30 days within this OpenAI system. And I will keep this temporary chat and say that, what is questions? So this is the responses that we get as a default based on this pre-trained large language model. As you can see, because I have not specified any information, those information yeah, it's quite detailed, right? And also I had the female version of text to speech. So if I click this, you can see, yeah, it seems like, I don't know why it's failed to play message. Let me double check. Let me see why it doesn't. Let's go over others first and get back to those functions. So you can see there are different models here. The math tutor one, I created this in advance to show you how those three GPTs are different. So first of all, if you as a person with free version, you can access any kind of the shared GPT, but you cannot create. Yeah, now I can create because I'm using those plus membership. But let me show you first how to use those, how to create this. So I go to my GPTs and I can click this, and then I can decide the name of the GPT, and description can be brief of it. So instruction is quite important things. This is like a prompt to engineering that you really teach and train this GPT what to expect. And there are different things, but I have not clicked any other. So that's what I get from this Math Tutor 0 version of it. When I have edit GPT, so yeah, I did not put any other information. These are all default. In that case, let's put information. What is fractions? So when I did not put any instruction and any prompt in advance and ask what is fractions, it provides, these more concise responses compared to just using the default one, just generic GPT, right? Now let's go to Master 1 and edit GPT. Here, I named this Master 1 and I put instruction prompts. So I specified the name of the GPT is machine AI, and I asked each specific steps of what I am expecting the agent go through it. So because I wanted to use this as a mentor of my another math application named as form fraction, I used those video scripts and lessons within this. But for this Math Tutor 1, I have not put any clear video script. I only used some queries, JSON type of queries that these are all examples which are under the each lesson 1 to 7, which you can see from this formfraction.org website.